Hey guys, and welcome back to this dressing room transformation makeover. Today I'm going to be sharing with you everything I did from start to finish to turn it into this beautiful dressing room slash office. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like this kind of content, because I've definitely got a couple more DIY makeovers coming up soon. So without further ado, come on in and let me take you around. Dressing room, which also doubles as my office, has probably been one of the biggest projects I've tackled so far in our new build home. This standard grey and slightly dreary space I felt was crying out for a more elegant, elevated and calming feel, something that was romantic, warm and inspiring. So I decided to first panel the entire room, which was a lot of work but completely worth it. And because I clearly like a challenge, I also chose to extend our Ikea Pax wardrobes all the way up to the ceiling. This became a whole project in itself, and I did do plenty of research on the best way to do this using MDF cut to the exact width of the Pax units. I'll link the video that I found most helpful, which really guided me towards the finished look. This time I decided to go custom with the paneling instead of using a kit like I did in the bedroom. I wanted each wall in the dressing room to be perfectly framed, hugging the furniture, picture frames and lighting. All the wood came from the moulding section at B&Q, which has basically become my second home because I spend so much time there. And just like in the bedroom, I added a picture rail feature, as I'd always dreamed of painting the ceiling in this dressing room in Farrow Cinder Rose. And for the walls, I chose Wimborne White, which beautifully complements the warm pink hue above. I'd already bought the main furniture pieces for this room, including the dressing room table and desk, which are both from Oak Furnitureland, but I wanted to, on top of this, add more layered lighting, as I do think lighting is such an important part of bringing a room together and just adding overall warmth to a space. So I opted for this stunning double wall fitting and shades above the full-length mirror, as well as a few lamps dotted around to light up key areas. For the ceiling, I picked up this beautiful chandelier from Pooky, which adds the most stunning, gorgeous glow to the walls. And I do plan on adding 2 more wall lights either side of the dressing room table, as well as a few inside the wardrobe, which I will keep you updated on. Finally, I wanted to add some pattern to the room, so I picked out the most beautiful Roman blind in this William Morris fabric from Blinds to Go that I feel like perfectly complements the ceiling colour, and overall it just helps to really bring the whole room together. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this transformation as much as I did doing it. It has taken me a good long while to do this, but I am so happy with the results. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions or overall what you think. I will pop a playlist down below of all of the makeovers I've done so far, And I hope you're all having a wonderful start to the week, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.